Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare a one-pot meal using pasta. Besides pasta, you will need 1 onion, 400 grams of canned tomatoes, or an equal amount of fresh tomatoes, tomatoes puree, 300 grams of minced beef, and some fresh herbs. Here I use parsley. Basil is also a great option. These are the ingredients enough for 2 people. Let's now come to the preparations. First, dice the onion. Cut the onion in half, place a half cut side down, and make thorough horizontal cuts towards the root, but not all the way through. Then, make vertical slices down the onion. Finally, turn the onion and slice downwards to get the dice. After dicing the onion, chop the herbs into small pieces as well. Now, time to cook. Heat the pan and then add some vegetable oil. Put the minced meat into the pan and then break them into small pieces. Don't just stop frying when the color changes, but keep frying it until the moist starts to run out. Then it is a moment to add the diced onions. Continue to fry them until the onion turns translucent. When the onions are turning translucent, add some tomato puree. Add a generous amount of tomato puree. Mix it well until it all dyed red like this. This is the moment to add the tomatoes. Gently mix them. Then pour 700 ml of boiling water. For the seasonings, add salt and pepper. Add the pasta into the pan. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 9 to 11 minutes, depending on your preferred taste of the texture. Please also feel free to open the lid and taste the pasta or the soup. And check if there's enough moist. Add water if the moist runs out, but the pasta is not yet ready. When the pasta is done and the moist almost running out like this, add the fresh herbs. Gently mix them while turning off the heat. Before serving, optionally, add some cheese, extra virgin olive oil, and some garlic oil. They will enhance the taste. Now, let's dig in. Delicious. Try it at home.